can't tell you how simple I have made my trading over the years. Had a comment from one of the YouTube videos about how do I use the trend predictor to spot reversals. And I'm going to show you here in the NASDAQ, because this is a lovely trade today. And I want to show you how my edge, my simple edge in the market, got me on the right side and knew where the market was going to go, okay? Now, when I'm trading the morning move, and you'll see from all the other videos, the morning move, I look for that European morning move and looking to get done as soon as 9 a.m. in the morning. Well, the same is true for the US session. The US traders want to go for their day's money. A day's money is the income that you can produce that's going to replace your job, all right? Because if you can trade for an hour, maximum 2 hours in the morning, and that replaces your job, that gives you all the freedom in the world, doesn't it? And then you create this fantastic life. But number one, you need an edge in the market. The trend predictor here gives me that edge. It's our proprietary software here at Trading College. Now, literally, we've got a red arrow, okay? We had a red arrow before that, and it moved down on each one. But it hardly moved down, because we're coming into the US Open. So this one here is perfect. This is a 4-hour time frame. It said to me the next candlestick's going to go down, or likely to go down. So if I know that before it actually happens, step number 2 is then waiting for my signal to get in the trade. Now this is so easy, guys. You know, it's incredibly simple. What I then look for is the red pro trend system and tracks to short it. I mean, we got the signal here exactly around this 1 p.m., which is the US morning move. We get the signal. Oh, look, it turns red. Okay, put the stop above this swing high. Let's have a little look at this. Let's look at the risk reward on this. There's the signal to short. Let's say we put the stop just above the swing high here. And by the way, this is all done for you on the pro trend system. We short it here, okay, because the red arrow on the trend predictor said short it. All right, so we short here. Next candlestick red, stay in. Red, red, tracks are red, tracks are red. We're in the trade at 22.50. We go down. Okay, it's red still. No thinking, no guessing. It's red still. It's red. It's red. It's red. And then bosh, we get the open of the US market. This is pre-market. You can trade this because it allows you to, this brokers allow you to trade the NASDAQ. It virtually trades 24 hours, the futures market, and then it drops with this massive candlestick here. So 22.050 all the way down to 21.900. Well, this is a big move, guys. You can do the maths. Your day's money would have been made from 1 o'clock in the afternoon London time all the way down to when it turned 2:45. Okay, so you've been literally trading, you know, an hour and 45 minutes with all this move, and it didn't turn green until here. That is your day's money. And if you multiply or you create more boxes here, just to show you what your risk reward would have been. So this is your risk right here. Let's make that red, okay, right there. And then let's make this green, because that is your reward. You can see the charts moving in real time right in front of you right now. So there's your entry, there's your stop placement above the swing high. You don't even have to make it that difficult. You can, there's no, one of the biggest questions is, where do you place your stop? Well, just place it above the swing high. Get that morning momentum move. When it turns green, you're out. This is what we call a short trade. We're placing a trade, looking for it to go down in value, and then we buy it back and we make that profit. So this is how my edge played out today. I had a red arrow telling me the next candlestick is likely to go down. I go down to the 5-minute trigger time frame. I wait for the tracks to turn red and the pro trend system. I enter the trade when I get red. I place my stop, and I want to go for at least 2 to 1. Well, if you just push this down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's about a 6 to 1 risk reward ratio. You risk 1 to make 6. Look, all you need, guys, when you're trading is 2 to 1 reward, okay? You've got 6 here. That's how simple it is. Do you think you could do this? Do you think you could color trade like this? If you can, if you do think that, then you've got a great chance of being a really good trader. Okay. Now, of course, you've got to be able to follow it. When you see these very complicated trading strategies with so many indicators on a chart, and yes, we've got some other indicators that are all color based to help you. Green is always for buy and red is always for short in the markets. We're trading with colors here to keep it really simple, because you get bogged down in so many decisions whether you should be going in. Has this line crossed on this indicator? Is this overbought? Is this RSI indicator telling me the market's going to drop now because it's overbought? You know, are we doing this? Keep it simple. We live in an age where the volatility is really good at the moment, and January is going to be a great time to trade the markets. You want systems indicators that are very simple to use, very powerful, very profitable on the back testing results as well, and they're easy to follow. And if you can do that, whether it's our Pro Trend system on tracks or anything else, whether it's whatever you want it to be, it's got to be simple for you to follow. Okay, as I said the other day, we can only take in so much information as human beings at one time. When you make those decisions, it's got to be quick and it's got to be certain. All right, and you've got to be confident, and that's the morning move in the Nasdaq, and how easy it can be if you've got a really simple system. Hope it helps, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.